Hello, welcome to this video. So in this video we're going to talk about the formation and the breakdown of peptide bonds in proteins. So what is a peptide bond? Peptide bond joins amino acids to form a peptide bond with condensation of a water molecule in the process. So to form amino acid, for example a dipeptide bond, so a peptide bond forms between two amino acids. So we have like two amino acids. So let's say for example we have this amino acid C, this one, this one, this one, and this. So we have C, O, H, N, H, 2. Then we have OH here. Then we have H. Then plus C. Let's say another amino acid. Maybe it's using H, 2. Then C. H here. Then we have a CH3. So to form peptide bond, you're going to get OH from here, then one H here, or two H here, then one H. So here there's release of water molecule given out. So water is given out. So you have a carboxyl group and the amine group. So a peptide bond forms between a carboxyl group of one amino acids and the amine group of the next amino acid. So this reaction is like this. Let me just rub this one here to write it properly. So the reaction is a reversible reaction. So when water is given out, so that is you form a peptide, which is condensation. But when water is added, which is hydrolysis, that means you are breaking the polypeptide to individual monomers. You break peptide bond, hydrolysis. So let's see now peptide bond that can be formed. So we have of C for H here, of N H2, we have H here, then we have this carbon being attached to the oxygen that remains here, then it goes on to be attached to this nitrogen which remains there, then hydrogen has to be down here, then C, carboxyl group, and this is H, and this we say this is CH3. So let's take the peptide bond here using a yellow color. So this is a dipeptide bond. So this is a dipeptide bond that is formed here. So this is a free carboxylic group. This is a free carboxylic group and a free amine group here. So that's a dipeptide that is formed between two amino acids. So types of peptide bonds. So when you have two amino acids, gives us dipeptide. Then 3 to 20 you have oligopeptide. So when you have greater than 20 amino acids, then you have a polypeptide. Polypeptide. And the protein now is a fully functional polypeptide. Fully functional polypeptide. So how can we even define a polypeptide? Polypeptide is a polymer with many amino acids. linked together via peptide bonds. So peptide bonds link amino acid to form a polypeptide. So let's draw an example of a polypeptide. So for example, so we have N, H, this N is attached to CH, this H is attached to R1, this is R1, then it to be attached to C, and here this C is attached to this one here. The next thing, this one will be attached to N, then this one has to be attached to H. Then you have C, H, then we have another R here, which will be R2. This is R2. After R2 now, this one gets to be attached to a C here. This here is attached to this oxygen here. Then we have a nitrogen again here. Then it gets attached to another CH. Then R3, which is another amino acid. And we have it attached to another one, which is C. So let's say now the peptide bonds in this structure. So we have this one here. This is a peptide bond. Another one. This is a peptide bond also. This one here. So here, since we have 1, 2, and 3 amino acids. So we have 3 amino acids. So this one is an oligopeptide. This is an oligopolypeptide. So like if you have more than 20 amino acids being attached, so you just consider the other groups more than 20. So that means you have a polypeptide. This one is also a polypeptide, but to be specific, it's an oligopeptide since it just has 3 amino acids. Since oligopeptides have amino acids from 3 up to 20. So polypeptides are hydrolyzed through digestion also. or broken down into T20 amino acids. In the intestines during digestion. Yeah, so that's all now for the formation of peptide bonds. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel.